Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you the steps on how to factory reset or hard reset this TCL from Tracfone. This particular device is super easy. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First thing, you want to make sure the device is completely turned off. So the power button on the side, press and hold for a couple seconds, then power off the device. Once the device is completely turned off, what you want to do next, you want to press the power and the volume up key. Press and hold until the device comes on, release the power and keep holding the volume up key. And once the menu comes up on the screen, you want to use the volume buttons to navigate. So you want to scroll to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset, then you want to press the power key. Then you want to go to the second option where it says Factory Data Reset. Press the power key again. It was gonna delete everything. Once it's done, scroll to Wipe Cache Partition. Press the power key. Down to the second option where it says Yes. Then press the power key again. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. It was a quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.